Why would you want a revocable trust versus an irrevocable trust if the revocable trust does not give you asset protection? So a lot of people want the asset protection with the irrevocable trust, but the big problem that they have is generally you cannot be the trustee or the beneficiary of the assets inside the irrevocable trust. I mean, you have no control or benefits over those assets. As an example, you cannot go in there and personally decide to sell the house and then take the distribution of the proceeds of that sale and distribute them out to your personal account. So you can't have control or benefits over those assets inside the irrevocable trust, again, generally. And so that's a big problem that people have with the irrevocable trust because they want to maintain control or benefits over those assets. And so if you still want to put your assets inside of a trust, you could do a revocable trust. And the benefits of the revocable trust is that when you pass away, your assets inside that trust will avoid the probate courts and be able to be distributed directly out to your family. In terms of incapacity planning, if you become incapacitated for whatever reason, your backup trustee can step in your role as trustee and take over the management of the assets inside of that revocable trust, so there's no hiccups and they don't have to go to court to get permission to manage those assets. In terms of distribution, you have full control over the management and distribution of the assets inside of that revocable trust, so you can keep the assets inside that trust and manage them on behalf of your family, or you could distribute those assets out in a controlled manner. So instead of a will giving a lump sum distribution out to your family, you could control them by doing age-based distributions when they turn 20, 25, 30, or event-based distributions when they graduate college, get married, buy the first home, or go into retirement.